Welcome back to and this guide. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix friend request is not sending on Facebook. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you are experiencing issues with friend requests not sending on Facebook, of course, one of the most common reasons for that is sometimes users may restrict who can send them friend requests. That's pretty much obvious, right? Such as allowing requests only from friends, all friends, or mutual friends, because Facebook may restrict your account from sending friend requests if it detects unusual or suspicious activity, such as sending too many requests in a short period. And of course, this is a security measure to prevent spamming and misuse of the platform. But the thing is, if you think you're not violating any terms and conditions from the Facebook policies, I suggest you hover to the upper right corner, and from here, click on the help and support. I need you to go to the report a problem. And from here, choose the areas that you need help with, and that's going to be the profile. And of course, from here, all I have to do is add as much as details as you can, and you can add a screenshot or video of what's happening. Now, in my case, that's going to be the friend request is not sending on Facebook. All right, now let's do that in the Facebook app as well. Now, if you are using an Android, I need you to go to the app management and go to app list, and from here you need to search for the Facebook. Okay, let's do that. And I need you to go to storage and cache. I need you to clear cache and clear storage. What will happen is if you're having problems sending friend requests on Facebook, there could be a bug or glitches that's happening right now on Facebook. All right, and after that, try to go to Google Play Store and install the latest version of Facebook. All right, now after doing so, when you open the Facebook app and you go to a specific person and you can't find the add to friend right here, all I have to do is block, and it's probably the profile settings. All right, make sure that, and again, there's a limit to the number of pending friend requests you can have on Facebook. If you reach this limit, you won't be able to send any more requests until some of your pending requests are accepted or canceled. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.